Hey, good morning. Back down here at Troy's. So, taking a little bit of a break today from all the paint work, and we're gonna do some dirty work. So as you can see right now, we got the rear tires off. This is not clean. I'll update it later. Just kind of showing you. So we got both rears completely off, just so we can document what it looks like before and after. Okay. We're going to get in there. We're not going to go crazy, but we're going to clean it up so it looks good. Go over here. I already started on one wheel. Got a little bit ahead of myself but just to show you where we're at. This one's not clean yet. Still got some stuff to get out of it, but that's what it looks like now. That's what it looked like when we took it off, and these are the rears, so they are a little less dirty. And that's the front, and we'll get all that cleaned up, so just posting it up, and I'll post up some more videos and keep going with the progress. And I got my manager. He's here today. He's right there. He's rearranging the shop. Say good morning, Troy.
Good morning, Troy.
Yeah, so he's still trying to work on the silver baby here. He's waiting for a banjo that we couldn't find just to get her started. We're going to try, hopefully we get her started doing a little bit of movement around, because I really want to see Big Red up here and the paint condition. That's that one's a challenge. I'll admit it, because is it original paint, Troy?
Original paint.
Original paint, factory, never been buffed on, or a little bit, but there's probably not much left. So this is going to be a very slow process, and I'm really looking forward to it. But I'll keep updating as the day goes on, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. See you.